This is part 3 of the series of making pretty much a website for completely free. If you missed out on my other 2 videos in this series, I recommend going to check them out. You obviously do not have to. So in this video, I'm pretty much going to show you guys how to add surveys or forums onto your Google site. And it's going to be a lot easier than you might think. So what you can pretty much do with these forums is you can make surveys, or you can maybe you're a YouTuber and you want people to be able to write video ideas or critique. You can do all of that. Maybe you're just a teacher and you want your students to be able to take tests, using your forum or your website. You can do all of that just doing this. So we're going to type in Google Forum create, and we're going to go to the first thing there. Now we're going to go to Google Forums. We're going to click blank, or you can use the template if you really want to. And I'm sure you guys already know how to use Google Forums. If you don't, I could make a video on that. I have not made one yet though, so sorry about that. And I'm pretty much going to show you how to add it onto your site. Your site as in right over here. I'm not going to be showing you guys how to customize this because, I'm giving you guys the option. So do whatever you want. So what you want to do on your Google site to add your forum is you want to go down to forums. Kind of obvious, I guess. Just wait for it to load. Oh, jeez. And you're just going to click the first thing that shows up. The one you just made. And you're going to click insert. I know, kind of crazy. Let's see if it loads. There we go. Wonderful, wonderful. And with this, people can pretty much, do your thing. You can change the size just by clicking thing. It's very simple. And people can actually do it, like this little thing, on the site. So it's very nice. So maybe I want to do, I'm going to do this, bananas are cool, because that's our site name. It's bananas are cool. Because, why not? And we're going to do, are bananas cool? And let's say, I don't know. Yeah, let's just do yes and no. Required. And yeah. Then if we go over here, we reload the page because we gotta be reloading the page. Sorry it's taking so long. Geez, that's such a... There we go, wonderful. Obviously, we can't do it on the editing mode, so we have to click present. But for people, if they just come onto your site, they can just do your form once it's published. And obviously, I'm going to write yes, because obviously bananas are cool. You can't say they're not. And you're just going to click submit. And not only does it show up there, but if you go to responses, the person can see it. So that's always nice. You don't have to do anything. It's very simple. Just play around with it. There's like tons of stuff you can do using Google Forums. It's really simple. If you guys need any help using Google Forums, just comment or email me, and I'd love to help you. So that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed, definitely like and subscribe. Maybe watch other videos in the series, because I'm trying to help you guys make your site for completely free. So yeah, that's about it. See ya!